Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the common error, "This video file cannot be played," which often appears when trying to watch videos in your web browser. And now, let's get started. You might have encountered the error message, "This video file cannot be played," while attempting to play a video in any browser. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. First, it is essential to ensure you have a stable and robust internet connection. Sometimes, a poor connection is the culprit behind video playback errors. If you have a good internet connection but are still experiencing the problem, your next step should be to restart your router. After your router has rebooted, reconnect your computer to the internet and see if the issue has been resolved. These are the initial troubleshooting steps you should try. If the problem persists despite these primary steps, we can move on to flushing your DNS cache. To do this, open the command prompt. In the search bar, type cmd. You should see command prompt as the best match. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes or Continue. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command ipconfig /flushdns and press Enter. You will then see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Following the DNS flush, the next step is to reset your Winsock settings. In the same command prompt window, type the command netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. After you press Enter, you should see a message indicating that the Winsock catalog has been successfully reset and that a computer restart is required. To complete this process, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. Then, try playing a video in your browser again to see if the issue is fixed. In the event that you are still encountering problems after these steps, a common solution is to disable hardware acceleration in your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click on System. On the right-hand side, you will find an option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle this setting off. After disabling hardware acceleration, close and reopen your browser, and then attempt to play the video again. These steps should effectively resolve the video playback error. If you continue to experience issues after trying everything mentioned, please leave a comment in the section below, and I will do my best to provide further assistance with possible solutions. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.